Hello everybody, this is Mob. Welcome back to another video. And today I have for you is a Scuf Wildfire Hybrid unboxing. And so I'm going to cut this thing open and I'll be right back. And I'm back. I have the extension cable just in case you want to plug your controller up into your Xbox if you don't want wireless or not. And here is the hybrid. It's going to be hard to do with one hand. There we go. Oh, I'm so excited. You know what? Let's flip this over. There we go. Okay. Let's take that off. And now, this is difficult. Here is the little hairpin thing. Let's take that off. Oh, it looks so sick. Oh, that is awesome. I'm going to organize everything and I'll be right back. Welcome back. That was quick, wasn't it? Here we have for you my first ever controller. The default one that comes with the Xbox. I use this one the lowest, and then you can't see that much of a difference between these two controllers, but this one is more, feels nice. Feels better than that one. I don't know why or how. And then we have this controller, this gold controller that I've been using for a while now. You can see me, hey. And it's pretty worn out. Like, some of the buttons are like really bad. You can see a little bit of grayness from me moving it around so much. And green LEDs as my Xbox turns on. And then now we have this beast. This is the Scuf Wildfire controller with the yellow LEDs. Looks orange though. And the blacked out buttons, 2 paddles, and then of course the trigger stops, and it is remappable. And I just got a black D-pad because I thought, why having anything but the black D-pad? It was just stupid how the design looked with the Wildfire D-pad. And the regular buttons, I don't know why, just the regular buttons for me feel nice. And I love to push them up like this overnight and they get a little bit looser. That's a good thing to do with new controllers. And overall, this is pretty awesome. The controller looks really nice though. The back feels a little bit weird though. So I will make another video in a week on how the controller goes with me. I'll be playing a lot over the weekend, but school is the #1 priority for me at the time. And peace out, guys. See you later. Hey guys, it's AJ from The Last Gamer Standing. Thanks for watching my video. Leave a like. Goodbye.